Welcome to the breathtaking mountain paradise of Ella, one of the most beautiful travel destinations in Sri Lanka. Hidden among lush green forests and misty hills, there is a place where travelers gather to relax, enjoy amazing food, and experience the true vibe of Ella. Today, we're exploring the lively atmosphere of Jungle Cafe restaurant and the peaceful hillside stay at Rockside Inn. From delicious flavors to stunning views and unforgettable moments with visitors from around the world. This journey will show you why Jungle Cafe restaurant and Rockside Inn are places people never want to leave. Stay with us, because this is Ceylon Stay Guide. Let the adventure begin. The Jungle Cafe restaurant and Rockside Inn are situated in Sri Lanka, just 600 meters away from Ella town. I'll provide the exact location in the description below. There is another beautiful footpath leading through nature. And today, we're taking this scenic route to reach the Jungle Cafe restaurant on Rockside Inn. This is the entrance to Rockside Inn. Let's step inside and explore. This path leads directly to the Jungle Cafe restaurant. Let's keep going. Here, you can see that the Jungle Cafe restaurant is beautifully decorated, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Inside the Jungle Cafe restaurant, every wall is adorned with traditional Asian-style paintings. The carefully chosen colors blend perfectly together, creating a calm, refreshing atmosphere that makes you feel comfortable the moment you step inside. Just ahead, you can see the world-famous Ella Rock, a breathtaking sight that can be enjoyed right from the restaurant area of the Jungle Cafe restaurant. From any table you choose, you can feel the presence of this beautiful cascade, accompanied by the touch of fresh, cool air flowing through the surroundings. Here at the Jungle Cafe restaurant, a variety of delicious dishes awaits you, each served with warm hospitality and unforgettable flavor. At the Jungle Cafe restaurant, guests can enjoy a full range of dining options from breakfast, lunch, and dinner to cocktails and barbecue, all tailored to their preferences. In addition, the restaurant offers essential services including Wi-Fi, taxi arrangements, guided tour, and laundry facilities, ensuring a comfortable and convenient experience for every visitor. Now, let's experience the magical evening atmosphere of the Jungle Cafe restaurant. As the sun sets and the lights come alive, this beautiful spot transforms into one of Ella's most charming dining destinations. Rockside Inn offers 10 comfortable rooms, each featuring a private balcony with breathtaking mountain views. The accommodation includes 6 double rooms, 1 triple room, and 3 spacious family rooms, making it an excellent choice for couples, families, and small groups visiting Ella. Next, we're visiting Rockside Inn to discover its accommodations, room amenities, and the wonderful features that make it a great place to stay in Ella. This is the vehicle entrance to Rockside Inn. Now, let's step inside the room and take a closer look at the interior, the facilities, and everything it has to offer. This is the perfect spot to sit back with a cup of tea on the balcony, relax, and enjoy this breathtaking panoramic view where El Rock stands beautifully right in front of you. Each room is equipped with tea-making facilities, along with a refrigerator to keep your drinks and essentials fresh during your stay. Every room carries a unique rockside theme, thoughtfully designed with cozy beds and crisp, clean linens to ensure a comfortable stay. Now, let's step inside and explore the washroom facilities provided for guests. The washroom is designed for comfort and cleanliness, featuring modern fittings, a hot water shower system, and all essential amenities. It is well maintained to provide guests with a fresh and relaxing experience. Ella Town is just a 5 to 10 minute walk from Rockside Inn, making it very convenient for guests. In addition, major attractions like Ella Rock, Little Adams Peak, 9 Arch Bridge, Ravenna Cave, and Ella Station are all within walking distance.
Very nice people.
Very nice people. Nice place here. The breakfast was top. Yeah, we like it here.
If you want to enjoy this experience, come visit Ella in Sri Lanka and feel free to contact us for more information.